Hey, so how are you feeling after your financial risks and protections unit? Are you worried about all the different financial disasters that you have to protect yourself from? Maybe you're unsure about whether or not the cost of insurance premiums was worth protecting yourself against something that might never happen. Or hey, maybe you're not worried about any of that because you're too busy being paranoid that every single email, text, or phone call is someone's attempt to steal your identity and drain your bank accounts. Look, I get it. There are a lot of financial dangers out there, and thinking about them all at once can be overwhelming. That's exactly why we put this unit at the end of your financial literacy course. It's to make sure that you feel confident about your financial future before you found out about the scary side of things. So if this unit has shaken your confidence a bit, no worries. In this video, I'm going to go over your wrap-up activity, which will show you that you have all the skills you need to navigate the scariest part of being an adult with a job and adult money, protecting that money. Let's get into it. For this unit, there are going to be multiple different wrap-up activities. After all, we've covered a lot of information over these past few lessons. First up, we're going to revisit those warm-up questions from the introductory lesson. Compare your answers from then and now and see how much you've learned. Then you're going to be asked to help some of my friends decide which kinds of insurances they should purchase. They all lead very different lifestyles, and I'm sure at least one of them will kind of match the sort of life that you want to lead one day. So think of it as giving advice to your future self. Finally, you're going to be put into the hot seat and asked whether or not certain messages or conversations are actual requests for information, or whether they're scams that should be reported to the authorities. These examples are going to be a little sneakier than the ones you saw in the fraud, scams, and identity thefts lesson. Remember, scammers are getting smarter all the time, so I got to make sure that you are getting better and better at identifying their schemes. By the time you're done with all your wrap-up activities, you will be more than prepared to navigate the financial dangers of adult life, and you'll also be super prepared for your wrap-up assessment for your financial risks and protections unit. So good luck on that. In our next and final unit of financial literacy, we are going to go over the key details of everything we've learned so far and use them to create a more comprehensive and complete version of the budget that you made all the way back at the start of the course. Good luck on your activities and assessment, and I will see you next time.